Have you ever felt that although there are so many things in our lives, or I should say so many beautiful things in our lives, but still there is something which we all lack in? Today's topic is so much important for all of us. So watch the full video and stay tuned. Namaste everyone. Welcome back to my channel, a place for personal growth and to make our lives more and more meaningful. Every one of us can achieve success in our life, but for true success, you need to learn most important form of love, that is self-love. First of all, let's come out of our belief system that loving ourselves is being selfish. No, when I talk about self-love, I simply mean taking care of your body, mind and soul and accepting ourselves for what we are. And there is nothing selfish in doing this. आप खुद सोचो, जब तक आप खुद से प्यार नहीं करोगे, how will you serve others? खुद को रिस्पेक्ट दिए बिना how can you respect others? Just know this कि हमें अपने आप से प्यार करने का हक है, no matter what other people think about us. Never let others' opinion be the part of your life. आप सोच रहे होगे कि स्टार्ट कहाँ से करें, सेल्फ लव को अपनी लाइफ में कैसे लाएं? चलो let's look at some easy tips for self-love. Number 1. Forgive yourself. हम सब ने बचपन में सुना है कि forgiveness सबसे अच्छी चीज़ है. So tell me one thing. When we can forgive others, why can't we forgive ourselves? चाहे जो भी आपसे गलती हुई है in past, once you have realized that you were wrong, forgive yourself. Stop punishing yourself for some incident that took place 5 or 10 years ago. उसे पकड़ कर बैठे रहोगे तो आप ही को नुकसान होगा. Self improvement is important. Once you realize your mistake, try not to repeat it again. And most importantly, forgive yourself. Trust me, by doing this, you will feel more and more happy and radiant. Number 2. Follow your passion. So we all love some activity which makes us feel happy. It can be any hobby, for example, painting, singing, dancing, etc. Do not ignore such activity. Take some time off daily, if not daily then on weekends or once a week, to indulge yourself in that activity. By doing so, you will feel more and more connected with yourself and you will feel like a happy soul. Number 3. Try something new. Self-love is not only restricted to loving yourself or taking care of yourself, it also means constantly learning and improving. By doing so, you will get a break from your busy schedules and you will start feeling more energetic. For example, learning public speaking, which many people fear. How about getting yourself enrolled with a public speaking club and learn this beautiful skill of public speaking? You know, by learning new things, you add value to yourself and this value will somehow boost your confidence level, and you know, confidence is so much important nowadays. So find what you want to learn and get started. 4. Celebrate your wins. Always celebrate your wins, no matter how big or small they are. Stop thinking कि लोग क्या सोचेंगे अगर आप अपनी इतनी छोटी सी भी win celebrate कर रहे हो. Stop thinking that. You have the right to live your life your own way. As far as you are not harming anyone, keep on moving forward. जीत चाहे बड़ी ना भी हो, but still वो आपकी जीत है, तो celebrate करना तो बनता है ना. 5. Give love and respect to others. Yes, this is a part of self-love. By giving love and respect to others, the same love and respect comes your way and you will automatically feel good. Even if the person in front of you do not deserve it, still, do not create hatred towards that person in your mind. This will increase negativity in your mind. You know, love and respect is such a beautiful thing that you feel good inside. And never forget, your outer world is influenced by your inner world. So, love and respect others and spread positivity all around. Thank you everyone. I hope these tips help you all to build self-love and you start loving yourself more and more. Do subscribe to my channel, like the video, comment below and share the video with your loved ones so that they can build the habit of self-love. And if you want to stay connected with me, you can follow me on Instagram. Link is in the description box. Take very good care of yourselves. Stay happy, stay positive.